hello length, hello thickness, hello fullness. Can we just take a minute to appreciate? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about this Revlon 2-in-1 blow dryer, which I saw my sister using and I said to myself, I need to try it. I want to see what it's going to be like on 4C hair, because we know our hair can get super dry when it comes to, you know, adding heat and manipulating and whatnot. So I'm going to show you guys what my thoughts are with this and how I managed to get this fluffy, lightweight blow dry. You guys need to understand, I'm so gassed because I've not seen my hair this healthy and this full and thick and luscious in so long. So if you see me, you know, kind of doing all this, then you know why. So to begin with, I am going to take out my freshly washed hair. That's what it looks like straight out of the packet. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to not really section. Listen guys, I do not know where any of my clips and whatever is, so this is going to be like a pure on freestyle kind of situation. I'm going to section off one piece of hair here, and make sure that when you do this you find some sort of heat protectant. I'm going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield heat protectant spray. So my hair's kind of pretty much just a bit damp, to be fair. I'm going to just use a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm also using the Cantu leave-in argan oil, or you can use Shea Moisture, is a pretty good one as well. And I'm going to just spread this through my hair and spray it. Okay, I'll just have extra. I love doing natural hair videos. Nothing's ever perfect, but why would it be? My hair's just doing higgy-hagga, but it's fine. Ooh, yes. So I'm just making sure this hair is protected because nobody wants any heat damage after, you know, trying to grow it out for so long. And just because I don't want to manipulate my hair too much, I'm just going to finger comb it. I'm focusing on the ends. Then we're going to go in for the kill. So if you can see, let me move up a bit. I'm not trying to get it like super bone straight. I actually need to trim my ends. But I'm not gonna lie, you guys, my hair is actually really soft. Softer than it would have been with my normal hair drying method. I think I'm gonna trim this as I go because I'm like super overdue. And I don't know what method to use to trim my ends with. Am I doing this right? I don't know. Let's just take a bit off. There you go. If I should have done more, let me know. Obviously, because we're in YouTube land, you do not need to sit there and watch me blow dry my hair in real time. So I'm going to just press on with it. I'll leave the camera running and I'll come back on here when I've done half of my head, and so that you can also see the difference with my shrinkage and just the texture of it. You guys, like, it's really soft, the ends aren't dry and crispy, and that's not just because I've just cut them off. And yeah, let me know if you even have this hair dryer and what you found your experiences to be with it, and what you think about blow drying hair anyway. For me, I find that it's really good to use to stretch out your hair for like protective styles. So that's my main reason, because I'm going to do another video installing jumbo twists as well. So yeah, that's my main purpose, because at this point I just want to put my hair away because I feel like that's what, you know, retains the length for me personally. Anyway, I'll carry on. Catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so I've done half of my hair. I thought I was going to have it out so you could really see the difference, but I've just twisted it into chunks because I feel like when I'm blow drying the middle part, it kind of starts, you know, crossing over and it confuses me. So I'm just going to continue with the rest of my hair, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after, once I've undone everything. Just to note as well, when I'm using the blow dryer, I realised that when you're holding it on this side, this high on the handle part of it, it actually gets really hot that I can't touch it. I have to go down here. So just to note, just in case that's an issue for some of you guys, just wanted to let you know. Okay, I'm just gonna carry on and I'll come back later. Bye. Okay, so this is the final result, and I have to say I am impressed. First of all, at the growth. Okay, can we have a second for the growth check. Hello length, hello thickness, hello fullness. Can we just take a minute to appreciate? I need to take some time to appreciate, because I have not seen my hair stretched out like this in about 2-3 years or so. So I'm just loving the thickness, the fullness, the body, the light. Oh yes, I love it. And I think that's because I didn't use any oils. I just used the leave-in conditioner. So I feel like that's why my hair's not like weighed down. It's very light, very fluffy. And also the trim really helped as well, in that my ends aren't straggly and dry and whatnot. So if you're finding that's the case with your ends, make sure to trim your ends as well. So yeah, my final impressions of this blow dryer. I have to say, I love this hair dryer. I feel like it literally cut the blow drying time by half, because I'm not having to, you know, get the actual powder brush and brush my hair. I just love it. I love it that it's 2-in-1. I forgot to mention as well, it has 3 settings. One that's like super cool, I think it's just blowing just the room temperature air, and a low heat setting, and then a high heat setting. So I would really recommend it. Like I said before, I'm going to leave the link to this blow dryer in the description box below, and I'd love to know what you guys think. Is this something that you consider buying? Do you even blow dry your hair? And if you do, how often do you do it? I just want to know, like, especially with you know, the fears of heat damage and whatnot, do not go and blow dry your hair without heat protected and think that it's all going to be okay, because it's not. Okay, what we don't want is for you to, you know, ruin the months and years it takes to grow this beautiful black natural hair. So that's the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, you know, seeing how I blow dry my hair, and obviously introducing, if you've never seen this before, this blow dryer, this 2-in-1 blow dryer that I love so much. This is like my new staple when it comes to blow drying. If you guys want to see more content, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on social media. My handle is @KimManeri, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.